This is number 8 in our chapter or lesson 7-1 homework, where we're asked to complete the table of values for the equation and then graph that equation. So obviously this equation is in standard form. On the test tomorrow, it would be ideal for you to find the x and y intercepts first, like we demonstrated in class the other day. But here they've given us specific values of x that they want you to substitute into the equation. They want you to substitute x is -3, 0, 2, and 3. So if I substitute -3 in for x, I'll have 2 times -3 minus 3 times y is equal to -6. I need to solve for y now. 2 times -3 is -6. So I need to move that to the other side. So in order to do so, I'm going to have to add +6 to both sides. And I'll have -3y is equal to -6 plus 6, which is 0. Obviously, I have to divide by -3 to get y alone. And 0 divided by -3 is 0. So what we really just found was the x-intercept, because when -3 was substituted in for x, we found that the y came out equal to 0, and an x-intercept always has a y-coordinate of 0. Now we're going to find the y-intercept, so we're going to substitute 0 in for x. So 2 times 0 is just 0, minus 3y is equal to -6. So again, to solve this for y, we're just going to have to divide both sides by -3. And we'll get y is equal to -6 divided by -3, which is 2. So our y-intercept is 2, because its x-coordinate is 0, and the x-coordinate of the y-intercept is always 0. So we continue to use that same method to find what y is when x is 2. That one doesn't come out to be as pretty, but you'll find that it comes out to be equal to 10/3. And then when we substitute 3 in for x, we get y is equal to 4. So now in graphing our solution here, what we need to do is we just need to plot those points. So we had a point at -3, 0, which would be right about here. And we had a point at 0, 2, which is our y-intercept right there. And we had a point at 2, 10/3, which is 2 to the right, 3 1/3 up. And you can see these are all lining up on a straight line like we expected. And we had a point at 3, 4. And so now all we have to do is just draw a straight line through them to show that all of the points that are on that line are solutions to this linear equation. I'll do my best to draw this on my tablet. Not too bad. And the arrows on the end show that that pattern continues forever.